Hey, hello there. This afternoon, let's take a look at our tomatoes. Do you remember one episode or two episodes during the first season? We were talking about the tomato, the yellow tomato curl virus, which was afflicting our tomatoes at the back, and we could not get any fruits. Now here we have a new kind of tomato, another kind of tomato on our tomatoes here in front in the aquaponics. We call this the cucumber virus. This is a cucumber virus. We can see some other leaves here. You see now the cucumber virus is the way why I know that it is a cucumber virus is that cucumber viruses do not prosper when the weather is good and dry. Now the weather became good and dry. We had our rainy days, but it became good and dry. And you look at the leaves upper here. They are not anymore afflicted by the cucumber virus. So that's where I know this is cucumber virus. See? Now at the back of the garden, another problem is because our tomatoes are not doing too well yet. Because you look at our roof, you see it's dirty. We have to clean it, and we will take out the yellow here. We'll take out the yellow so we have more sunshine coming in, and then our tomatoes will do even better than they're doing now. So let's take a look at the back, because at the back we have our squash, and the squash, because of the rains that we had, also was attacked by the cucumber virus. So let's take a look at the back. But my photographer is still behind. Yes, down. No. Now you can see it here over the fence. Maybe we go in here and you can see the yellow leaves. You can see there, oh, it's quite clear, the cucumber virus on our squash. But you look at the other leaves here, bit by bit they are doing well. And we have already some fruits coming up. Look at this one here. See, so that they're coming up. And the leaves, you see, they have suffered a little, but they're pulling through. Because the weather, you look, the weather is good now, huh? So that's what we see with the cucumber virus.
Hello. Now I'm harvesting our jalapeno. Already had a couple this midday, and it was GOOD good. Papa was explaining earlier about the cucumber yellow virus. Actually, that kind of virus is called cucumber virus because the person, I think, who discovered it found it mostly on cucumber plants, but it doesn't mean that it doesn't attack other plants. So it attacked our tomatoes, and it attacked our squash, and it also attacked our jalapenos. As you can see here, it still has the remnants of the virus, but because the weather changed, it became sunny, so the virus stopped. So hopefully it won't rain again, so we can continue having good vegetables and we won't have any problems with this virus anymore. So I'm just going to continue harvesting the jalapenos, and we're going to prepare this with giniling, ground pork or ground beef, also together with when you saute different kinds of vegetables, especially when you do the Chinese pechay or Chinese cabbage here. We also include jalapenos, and it became our favorite ever since we started planting it. Now I finished harvesting our jalapenos. This is a good cup of jalapeno peppers, and now the weather became good again. We started planting other things like this one here. It's broccoli. It's newly transplanted by Papa an hour ago or 2 hours ago. So what we're going to do in this particular area is to change this part of the roof into a translucent one or a opaque one, so it will get more sunshine, so it will prosper like our other crops that are under the opaque roofing. This is what I think of the cucumber virus.